cross our fingers that maybe the storms today will stay just a little further to the west and they'll be able to get that in. One way or another, though, likely tracking another round of storms for some folks in our region as we go throughout the day today. Yesterday, a really stormy day. Most areas picking up on at least one round of storms, if not multiple waves of showers and storms, producing some really heavy rainfall. So some good news this morning. We are dry to begin the day. Actually, a pretty nice sunrise this morning as well. Just quite a few high clouds around. Live view over SIU's campus in Carbondale, and a little muggy out there, but temperatures running in the upper 60s to right about 70 degrees right now. That round of storms will likely hold off for many until the early part of the afternoon. So we do have some dry weather to at least begin the day, but we've got one more big round of showers and storms in our forecast. Thursday, Friday, things start to dry back out just a bit. An isolated shower, isolated storm possible Thursday. By Friday, drier weather. But guys, we're heading into the early part of July, 4th of July coming up this weekend. And that means heat and humidity is also in that forecast. And we're going to be cranking that up, turning it up a notch here as we head into the weekend and even into the early part of next week. Most of us right now are dry. We've had another round of showers and storms through parts of southern Illinois and western Kentucky through the overnight hours. Some of those moving through parts of Perry and eastern sections of Jackson County. Those have since faded away over the last couple of hours. Still tracking a couple showers and storms still lingering around right along the Kentucky-Tennessee line. So if you're in Murray looking down, say 641 there, you can see some of the lightning from those storms. Those are just south of the Callaway County line and a little closer to Paris, Tennessee, and actually trying to move away from our region right now. We've got temperatures back into the upper 60s in southern Illinois, 70s further to the west, west of the Mississippi River. It's currently in the low 70s in places like Sikeston. It's 71 in Poplar Bluff, while it's 69 in Harrisburg and 68 at this hour in Mount Vernon. There's a little boundary that is sitting almost parallel to the Mississippi River right now. That will be the focus for some of these showers and storms. This big complex of storms that we're tracking back into northwest Missouri will continue to ride down that front. Now, it does appear some of the focus for the heaviest rain and the strongest storms today may be a little west than what it was yesterday. That means putting it more into parts of southeast Missouri, but even into southern Illinois and western Kentucky, expecting another round of some showers and storms as a possibility into the early part of the afternoon. So putting a storm track on that and really bringing it right down that front would put it into our region. Again, most of that will likely arrive into the early part of the afternoon. This is about lunchtime. There's that complex of storms moving through the St. Louis metro area, and here it comes by about 2 o'clock, expecting that to spread into the region. Now, there are some signs that we could see this weekend, but it is arriving during the heat of the afternoon, so quite a bit of instability to hold this together. I do think by tonight it is starting to exit the region, and we should see some dry time taking hold, especially into southern Illinois and western Kentucky. Looking ahead to Thursday morning, still a chance we could be dealing with some showers and storms mainly west of the Mississippi River. And Thursday afternoon, I've left a chance for an isolated shower or storm in the forecast, but I still expect a lot of folks will start to dry out on Thursday, and a lot of folks will miss out on the rain on Thursday. Storm Prediction Center today highlighting us in a level 1, and notice the track of that moving from the northwest to the southeast right over us, and that is for that big complex of storms today. Small hail is a possibility, and some of the strongest storms more concerned with gusty winds, and of course the flooding threat also remains high. Lots of flash flooding yesterday, and it won't take a whole lot of water to re-aggravate some of those flooding concerns. 84 degrees with the clouds and with the rain around. Notice the rain chances ramping up by lunchtime, and especially once we get into the heat of the afternoon. After sunset tonight, though, things start to calm down just a bit. By midnight, only an isolated shower storm still lingering around. A little bit warmer on Thursday as we see the rain chances go back down. By Friday, it's feeling like summer. Afternoon high temperatures running about 90, and looking ahead to Independence Day and here on Saturday. You got outdoor plans, being outdoors, one of those water parks, one of those pools, probably not a bad place to be. High temperatures in the low 90s. Our rain chances once again, though, starting to ramp up as we move into the early part of next week, guys.